In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install Dante onto a fresh WordPress site. Basically what you're going to want to do is unzip the file that you download from ThemeForest, and when you open that file you'll find demo content, documentation, PSD, theme files. And what we want to do is go into theme files folder and you'll find a dante.zip file, and this is the file that is the actual theme. This is the file that you want to import into WordPress. So what we're going to do is go to Appearance, then go to Themes, click Install Themes tab at the top, and then you want to click the Upload button, which is the second along the list. When you click that, you'll be given the option to choose a file, which you then want to browse through the downloaded zip file to the theme files folder and click on dante.zip. Click Install Now. This will upload the theme to your WordPress installation and allow you to preview or activate. And what we want to do here is activate it. You will then be taken to the theme options page, which basically allows you to customize the theme, background options, header options, etc. If you take a look at the site now, you'll find it's very basic. So we've got the header, standard archive view. So we're going to take a few little things to get you on your way. First off, we're going to install the extra plugins that are included and recommended with the theme. Most of these are up to you whether you want to install them or not. That's plugins that we use and that we find are probably the best for each of their functions, such as the contact form, layer slider and revolution slider, which are the premium sliders included with Dante. WooCommerce, the WooCommerce wishlist plugin, which we use and is integrated within the theme. So you don't have to do all of these now, but it's recommended that for any that you want to use, get them installed before you install any demo content, so that the content that we provided within that is copied across as well. Now I'm going to show you how to set up menus. Just a brief overview: creating a menu and assigning it to the header location. So you've just created a main menu, going to add the sample page as an example. Once it's added this in the menu, you can change the name, just the navigation label. Let's just call this page menu name. Click Save Menu. You'll then be able to manage locations, which is the second tab at the top. And the theme we want to use is the main menu. So you select that, then click Save Changes. If we go back to the site and refresh, you will find that you now have the menu. You can go through and add all your pages here. This is just a brief overview to show you how to get it working. If you go to Settings and then Reading, you'll be able to set the front page of your website. So you can create this to be your blog, portfolio, whatever you like. So you just want to select the front page option. We just have the sample page at the moment. If you click Save Changes, go back to the site and refresh, you'll find that the sample page is now loaded for the home page of your site. Sorting out how your website is displayed, you can set up the header options. You can change how your header is laid out. You can change how many columns your footer shows. You can enable and disable various different features within the theme that you can customize to your need. So we recommend you spend quite a lot of time doing that. And we've got some more videos coming up in the tutorials, such as setting up portfolio, setting up the blog pages, so check out those if you need them.